In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Canva website. This easy, straightforward process will enhance your website's interactivity and provide a more engaging experience for your visitors. We'll be using Elfsight's audio player widget to achieve this, so let's dive right in. First, head over to Elfsight's website. Once you're there, locate and click on the catalog option. This will direct you to a page where you can find various widgets offered by Elfsight. Now, scroll through or search until you find the audio player widget and go ahead and click on it. This widget will serve as the backbone for streaming your audio content on your Canva site. Next, you'll be presented with different templates. Choose one that fits your website's style and functionality. After selecting your preferred template, click on Continue with this template. This step will take you to the customization page. Here you have the flexibility to make changes to your audio track. To do this, you can delete the current track by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting Delete. This allows you to remove any placeholders or default tracks that do not align with your content. Now that you have a clean slate, click on Add Tracks. This feature enables you to upload your audio files, which could be music, a podcast, or any audio content relevant to your audience. Following the upload, navigate over to the player settings. Here, you have several options to tailor the audio player to suit your needs. For instance, you might want to enable autoplay, allowing your audio to begin playing automatically when someone visits your site. Just ensure you check the regulations and best practices regarding autoplay features, as they might affect user experience differently. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish. This will make the widget live and ready for use. You can continue by selecting the free plan option if it meets your needs and budget. Afterward, click on Share Link and then copy the provided link. Now, it's time to integrate this audio player into your Canva website. Open your site design in Canva and at the left panel, find and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Embed and select Embed. Here you will paste the link you just copied from Elfsight. With the link embedded, click Add to Design, which inserts the audio player into your canvas. You may need to resize the player to fit perfectly into your website's layout. Adjust its dimensions to ensure it complements and enhances your site's visual appeal. And there you have it, a fully functional audio player on your Canva website. This integration allows you to connect with your audience through sound, providing an additional layer of interaction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enrich your digital content. Happy creating!